Hi guys, Tom here. Today's project is working on these stock mirrors. TBR7, like a lot of Chinese built dual sports, comes with some flimsy mirrors. They're very light, so they vibrate a lot when you ride. If you try to make adjustments with the set screw in the back to prevent the mirrors from flopping all over the place, you end up in this situation. It basically breaks off and you can't make any more adjustments. And then the mirror pretty much is useless when it rides because it keeps falling. So for today, we're gonna go towards a dirt bike style set of mirrors so that I can use them both on road, get them out of the way when we're off-road. Basically put it this way, we're gonna go from this to this using the contents of this box. So here it is. Let's see what comes in the box. Mounting hardware. And the mirrors. Excellent. You can see ball joints. Different types of adapters for each handlebar adapters, and then of course the mirror with articulated ball joints. So the first step is to get rid of this stock mirror. Lifting the dust cover, have access to the 14mm locking nut. Once the lock nut is loosened and out of the way, rotate the mirror in a counterclockwise direction, and it comes right out. So put this in a spare parts drawer or just toss it in the trash. All right, now with the stock mirror removed, we'll see if we can reuse this opening for the new mirror. It is clearly too small for that opening. So they give you a handful of adapters with different size threads to fit the mirror and your handlebar mount. Now, if this doesn't fit properly, they give you a new set of handlebar mounts for the rear view mirror. So let's see if we can try to make the existing one work with the adapters. So I found the adapter that should be able to connect my existing handlebar mount to the new mirrors. To make sure nothing vibrates free, I'm going to use some thread locker. Conveniently, this uses a 14mm wrench as well. Nice and snug, thread locker on the threads. Time for the mirror. Of course, let's not forget the thread locker. Now there is a lock nut right here. Once again, conveniently it's a 14mm. Now, loosen up clamps. Let me pull back a little, and that's it. Well, that was an easy project. Simply remove the stock mirrors. I used the adapters that came with the kit and installed the new mirrors. Now, if the adapters didn't work or I didn't have existing mounts, I would use the handlebar mounts that came with the kit as well. For a cheap dirt bike mirror kit, this is going to be great for my dual sport. With the mirror up, I can use it on road to see traffic behind me. Then, of course, you can loosen the clamp, rotate the mirrors down. Now with the down position in the mirror, it's out of the way from branches, it's out of the way from being damaged when the bike is dropped, and then when I'm done riding off-road, I can get ready for on-road riding. Great mirrors. If you have this product or you have name brand versions of this product and want to compare the quality you saw here, please leave a comment below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.